Hello friends, in this video we will discuss a problem on kinematics. So in the question it is given that a ball is rolled off along the edge of a horizontal table with velocity of 4 meter per second. It now hits the ground after a time of zero point 0.4 seconds. Then we have to identify the correct options. So according to the conditions given in the problem, if we redraw the diagram for the conditions given in the problem, we can say that the ball was thrown horizontally from the top of the edge or table with speed of 4 meter per second, and its subsequent time of flight given the problem is zero point 0.4 seconds. Let us assume that this is the value of height and the range is equals to r. The horizontal range is equals to r. So by using the expression or equation in y direction, we can directly write the value of height in y direction can directly be written as half gt square, since initial velocity in y direction is 0 and acceleration in y direction will be equal to, and acceleration in y direction will always be equal to g, and initial velocity in y direction, that is the value of uy, is 0 for this problem. This is the value of ux and uy mentioned the problem is 0. So now substituting the values given in the problem, we can write the time given in the problem was 0 0.4. So from here, on calculation, the value of h comes out to be 0 0.8 meters. Let us now find the range of this projectile. This range can simply be found by multiplying the value of x component of velocity into time, since the x component of its velocity will remain constant. So I can directly multiply ux into t. Ux given the problem is 4 and time is 0 0.4, which will yield a range of 1.6 meters. Now as for the final velocity in y direction just before collision, I have to find this value of final velocity in y direction. Value of velocity in x direction will be equal to 4, since the x component of velocity will remain constant. I have to find the value of Vy. The value of Vy can be found by using the first equation. Substituting the relevant values, we get the value of Vy to be equal to, we get the value of Vy to be equal to 4 meter per second. Now at position B or at point B, just at the moment before it is about to collide with ground, both the components of its velocities are equal, so we can say that it will collide with the ground, making an angle of 45 degree with the horizontal. That is, it hits the ground with vertical velocity of 4 and at an angle of 45 degree rather than 60 degree, which is mentioned in option B. So you can simply ignore the option B, and rest of the options we have already checked in the solution. Okay, thank you.